In this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can set up your channel from the start to the finish. A very simple process that you're going to understand from the start to the finish on starting up your YouTube channel. To understand is, first of all, you need to understand what kind of content you want to put out. What kind of content am I putting out for the people who are out there to see? Yes, because you need to understand the kind of content you're putting out first. You need to understand your niche. Yes, your niche is very important. You need to know the type of niche you are into. So I won't want you to go to make mistakes like so many other persons do, because some persons, they might be wondering, okay, I saw Mr. B doing this, I saw Mr. A doing this, well, I think that I'll do it myself, forgetting to understand the fact that it's all depending on the niche, because you must first of all understand your niche. Yes, you're going to ask me, what do I mean by niche? Yes, niche simply means, who are you creating this content for? Who are you creating this stuff for? What are you using it for? Am I using it for my brand? Am I using it for my company? Am I using it for my organization? What am I using it for? Because you must first understand what actually you want to use this thing for and what actually you want to achieve, because you just don't want to jump around doing things that you're not going to benefit from. So first of all, you must understand what actually you want to use the content for. There are so many niche out there, just like tailoring, the finance, the gaming sector, so many. So you must understand the niche you belong to. Now, if you don't actually understand your niche, you first of all ask yourself, what are the 80% of things that people do call me on phone and ask me about? Yes, what are the 80% of things that people do call me on phone and ask me about? People call you on phone, ask you about some things. Hello, please, can you deliver social product to us? Can you deliver social item to us? I heard you do this. I heard you're a good fashion designer. So you start from there to start identifying yourself that this is my niche and this is what I do. I don't tell people what myself I have not seen a light from. By God's grace, with my strategy and with what I'm telling you, I've been able to monetize 2 channels. And by grace of God, I have the privilege to manage about 8 to 9 channels. And as you can see on the screen there, they are all growing and they're all doing well. And none of them is above a year old. What am I saying? You must first of all understand your niche. Yes, understand your niche very well before you go ahead. After you have understood the reason and point that you need to open up your channel for your brand, for your business, for your organization, you now go ahead in creating your channel. So without wasting your time, I'm going to be dropping a pure practical on how you can create your channel from the start to the finish without keeping anything left out. So let's dive in straight to the setup of a YouTube channel.
So you go to your YouTube studio, you see a column on your right hand side that has a pencil mount. Okay, so you're gonna click on there. So now if you notice, you see let's grow together. That is called my channel banner. That's a very important element you must consider as well in creating your channel banner. As we move on, I'm going to teach you guys how you can create your channel banner just like the one you're seeing there. So this is also my logo for my channel. Okay, so as you can see, I have created my channel banner, also my logo. So next thing you're going to add is your description. You can see this is my description, what this channel is all about. Welcome to Abi Hustle. My name, blah, blah, blah. My goal is to guide you to success and hustle culture. Please join me on this empowering journey. This is my description, what the channel does. So your channel is all about makeup, you drop what your channel is all about. If you're selling hair, you drop it. If it's a company, you drop what your company is all about. If it's anything you do, just drop it there so that people are going to identify you quickly and know the right thing you're doing and also know where they are coming in to patronize you as well. So you can also see my link is there, my channel link. So you also make sure you impute your channel link there, okay, so that people who do your description can easily also subscribe to you and also get to you on time. So next thing you want to go to is your link. Okay, you can see now this is my link. Now if you can see, I have about 5 links there. I have my YouTube links, I have my Facebook link, I have my Instagram link, I have my other YouTube channel link, I have my TikTok link, I also have my WhatsApp community link. So you're going to link up all your accounts on your channel properly to your channel. So when people are coming to your channel, they can also locate you on your other channel if there's need in doing that. So it's just very simple. Just click on add. If you want to add your link, you paste your link on the title, you write the name of the social media you want to paste the link. For instance, if you want to paste a link for Facebook, I'll just type in the Facebook, okay, then I go ahead and type in the link. So if I'm putting for YouTube, I go type YouTube, okay, then I go ahead and paste in my link. So just as easy as that, okay. So we want to make sure we impute all these things very well, and with the aid of your mobile phone you can do this on your own. So next thing you want to see, you go down, you see recommendation for your viewers. YouTube will recommend your content based on viewers' interest, okay. So you want to turn it on so that YouTube will keep on recommending your content, okay. So now we are done in doing what? Setting our description, setting our channel link, okay. So there are more things you're going to set, but you can actually access them on your mobile phone. Those things are called hidden keyword and also tags. So you're going to use a PC in doing that. So don't get worried. In case if you don't have PC accessible to you, you can just ask someone, a close friend you have, or you can go to a cyber cafe. Just make use of your PC. But please always remember to always log out your Gmail, log out your account when you are done setting those hidden keywords. So without wasting time, let's go over to how we can set the other features that we can set in our mobile phone that are hidden. So we use the PC to access them.
This is the process for the PC. Without wasting time, you go straight to your Google Chrome, and if you don't have a Gmail account, a Google account, you just quickly create one. Yes, quickly create one there. Very easy. Create a Gmail account, sign in there. So you just create. So because of I already have one already, so we're going to go straight to how we can properly set up our YouTube, because there are some features I said earlier on that we can actually see on our mobile device. So we're going to be using our PC, a computer. So in case you don't have a computer close to you, you can maybe check one of your friends close to you that has a system, okay, that has a system, and you can make use of his PC. So quickly, you see where the column where you have our logo there on the left hand side, okay. So you click there, then you go to settings, okay. You click on settings, so it's loading. Click on settings. So we have our column on the right hand side. Click on settings. So you go to settings, and where we have user upload, you can see we have what we have title there. So now you can see here I put content creator, editor, writer, brand manager, digital marketer, and the marketing manager. Yes, that is what I do. That's what this channel is actually all about, okay. So you're going to put in carefully what you're doing, what you want people to see, the kind of brand you're doing. Maybe in fashion design, you put it there. If you're into soup making, you put it there. If you're confident what your company does, you put it there. So just as easy as that. So I move down to where we have our description. Now you can see that's my description there. Dragons major is economic like that. So this is my description. So you input your description, okay? So after inputting your description, now we move over to where we have tags. Now this is a very important part. It's a very important part. Now you see these tags we have here. Now this channel you see here is actually for comedy. It's actually a comedy channel for entertainment. So that's why you see we have more of comedy video, funny video, Don Jazzy, Mackenzie comedy, more comedy, things like that. Now these were hashtags that are trending. These are hashtags that are trending. In fact, I'm going to renew this very soon. If you can see 2023 there, 2023. So we're in 2024. So we're going to move over to the next step. So please note this. These are tags, okay? These are tags. They are very important for your channel. You see all these tags now. These are hidden tags that you can't actually see with your mobile phone, but with the aid of a PC you can see this and you can add this. Now if you observe, this is an entertainment channel, is a comedy channel. That's why you see comedy hashtag, Mackenzie, more subscribers, more views, funny comedy, funny videos, entertainment buzz, entertainment industry. Now these are hashtags for a comedy channel, okay? So now let me show you another channel. So you're going to see the hashtag over there. Just hold on, I'm coming. Okay, now as you can see, this is a fitness channel. It has its own different hashtag. As you can see, it has fitness channel on YouTube, body fitness, fitness coach, fitness. You can see everything is all about fitness. So you must know the right keyword to impute for your niche so that your channel is going to grow as fast as possible. So we're going to go back to the one we're using for our classes. So after understanding how to impute these tags, I'm also going to show you how you can get the right tags for your niche as we move on. So you click on advanced there. So after going to you move over to advanced, okay? Move over to advanced. You make sure this is on, set this on standard YouTube license, okay? Now make sure you set this on English because your content are on English. What you're speaking is on English. What the audience you want to communicate with, they are English students and or English people you want to reach out are English. So now one important thing you should understand as well is, now this is what I was talking about, niche. Now if you see, these are all niche, so you must understand where your niche fall into. Now we have auto and vehicle, we have comedy, we have education, we have entertainment, we have filming and animation, we have gaming, we have how to style, we have music, we have news and politics, we have non-profit and we have non-profitable activity, we have people and blog. Now we have different niches, and these are all niches. So you must know the right niche and also know the right place to categorize your channel and place them. So you cannot do this with your mobile phone, but only with the aid of a PC. So in case you don't have anyone anywhere to reach out to do this for you, you can also drop a comment on the comment section and I'm going to be helping you in doing this. So in the class as well, I'm going to drop a number to chat on that person to help you doing this. So in case you don't have a PC close to you, you don't have a computer that is available at the moment, just drop a comment on the comment section and I'm going to be assisting you on how you can go about this. Okay, so after you must have been done selecting your right niche, okay, you can see mine is under education, you can see there. So now you are done imputing your hashtag carefully, okay, so don't forget, I promise I'm going to teach you guys on how to get your right hashtag for your niches, because we all have different niches. Okay, I'm going to teach you how you can get your right hashtag with ChatGPT. Okay, it's an AI tool to get the right hashtag with ChatGPT later on as you progress. So after you are done imputing this, so now your channel has been set up properly for the algorithm to understand the kind of content, the kind of brand you're putting up there, what you're selling out to the public, what you're pushing out, the kind of information you're sending out. If it's a hair business, if it's a stylist, if it's a comedy channel, if it's a brand, if it's a business, anything you're doing, now you set it up properly. So I believe we have all understood properly how we can set our channel the right way from start to finish. Just to do a recap, now I talk about the tag. Now a tag is very vital and important, so this is where you input your tag. Okay, so you input your description, you input your title, what your channel is all about, what you do, what your company does, what your brand is all about. Okay, you put it there. Then also you go to advanced. I told you about this, that is very vital. Make sure you set your niche. This is your niche. You have different ones there, so you check the one that suits better what you do. Okay, so you set it to the right niche there. So keep this on standard YouTube license, keep this on standard YouTube license. Okay, put this in your language depending on your country that you are. I'm in Nigeria, so I kept this as English. So whatever country you are, whatever language you speak, you can set this as your preferred language. Okay, so don't forget, also we also went to channel and also inputting our keyword. Now these are keywords that is very important as well, so I'm going to be teaching you how to get the right keyword later on in the class. As we move on, I'm going to create a video on how to get your keyword for your niche. I'm going to create a video on how to get your right tag. So I believe you have understood. So don't forget, please drop your comments on the comment section, and please don't forget to click on the notification button to subscribe. You can see it's just as easy as that. So now you can now set up your channel for success. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also drop a comment about a video you want me to create. Drop it in the comment section. Until when next we see in the next video.